Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. Based out of Southend-on-Sea, New London, the Auto Fabrica workshop is set up to design, prototype, manufacture or build from concept to final product. Their latest project is the Type 11 breed of machines that has built two bespoke models for two different riding preferences, underpinned by Yamaha's XSR900. Yamaha Yard Built Chaps decided to team up with brothers Bujar and Gazman Moharami. Using stock XSR900s, Auto Fabrica brothers created their Type 11 project bikes that will have all the aura of the 70s frolicking around but gets the modern-day performance set up. At the heart of these beautiful machines lies the same 850cc, liquid-cooled, inline 3-pots, 4-stroke power mills that is regarded as one of the most exciting power plants running on any two-wheeler. The motorcycle's 3-cylinder engine produces 115 horsepower and 65 pounds-feet of peak torque. The Prototype 2 will begin with an eye-watering price tag of £68,000, $95,000, and will be a limited run affair. If you do want to ship it across the pond here, expect that price to go well over $100,000.